Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to actually just directly generate awesome UI designs like this directly in ChatGPT 4.0. It's really easy. I'm actually going to be sharing this file. Prompt 1 is going to be written here. Prompt 2 is going to be written here. You can use these prompts to generate any type of application that you actually want. And it's really easy and it's done in a matter of seconds. Let's check it out. Now, how do you actually generate something like that? Well, you actually have a prompt and you can use this same prompt and ask ChatGPT to create a different prompt for a different application, or maybe modify this particular application and stuff along those lines. So first of all, we define what the application is about. We define the name. We also go ahead and define, okay, the status bar at the top needs to have this. The header section needs to have this stuff. Then we have some sections within the application, like today's tasks panel. The title is going to be this. The font is going to be bold 16 pixel. The icons are going to be this. Very similarly, you have the plant section. Now, all of this, I didn't really write it out myself. I actually just copied this prompt from this particular post that another guy has, and I just copied this and I just asked ChatGPT to use this particular format to give me another prompt for a different type of an application. And you can do the same. You can take this prompt and basically ask ChatGPT to just generate something else. I actually really like for example, soft images or soft shadows and like icons that are really smooth and stuff along those lines. So I just basically gave it that and it actually generated something like this, which I think looks pretty good. I actually really like the small texture, the filled colors, the smooth icons and stuff along those lines. I can even go ahead and ask it not to use gradient for this particular thing, but you can do that yourself as well. And I think this application actually is looking really good. Once I'm done with that, I can basically just ask it to follow this previous prompt and generate the inner screen from the matching design. Very similarly, that's what it did. It goes ahead and actually generates the prompt for, let's say, the previous thing. And we have the status bar, we have the header section. Now, as you can see in the header section, we have the back arrow, we have the plant name that a person is going to click on. So we have all of these things and I can just ask it now generate an image using that prompt. And let's just see what the inner image actually looks like for this application using the prompt above. Now, as you can see, this is what it generated. Now, as you can see, it has made some mistakes, which I can catch. I'm not sure if you can catch them, but actually let me just paste this side by side here. So this is the image it actually has. Now, as you can see, it actually changed some styles. Like for example, this particular icon is different, slightly different from this. The footer is different here. This particular button is slightly different from this, but this is a great starting point for us to generate ideas for our applications to even show to clients perhaps. And this is only going to improve in the future. So I think this is a really nice way of generating some ideas for your conceptual application, for you to flesh out, for you to take inspiration. And in the future, obviously, we are all going to be designing like this because an AI like this can directly be integrated into Figma. You can just ask it to do things, and it's basically just going to generate all of this layer by layer, text by text, and you can then go ahead and update the colors. It can even generate the styles and variables and all of that stuff. So amazing stuff. Can't wait to see how far this goes. And it's probably time for us to start thinking about doing something else.